Hello everybody, I am Dr. Irfan Khatib.
And I am Dr. Zain Khatib, and today we are going to demonstrate to you how to use an oxygen machine.
This is an important life-saving machine because in the next few weeks we may come across many medical emergencies which may be COVID or non-COVID, and in such case we may be required to use the machine on our own in our society. If anyone in our society becomes seriously ill and requires hospitalization, then the first thing any hospital asks is a COVID report, and this takes about more than 24 hours. And in that time, the patient can become worse or he may even die if proper medical assistance is not given.
So, this machine that we are talking about is going to give the much needed medical assistance till the patient is transferred to a hospital. It is therefore very important for all of us to learn how to use this machine by ourselves, and this is what we are going to show you.
This is the oxygen machine. It is also called the oxygen concentration machine because it converts air which has got 20% oxygen into pure oxygen which is 95% oxygen. This machine sucks in air from behind. That is why it has to be kept at least about half a feet away from the wall, and this air is converted into oxygen inside the machine and it is released from this nozzle. So this is the outlet of the machine, and this outlet goes into this bottle of water, so and then it comes out through here. So when the machine is on, you will see the oxygen bubbling through it. Now I'll explain to you the steps of how to actually use the machine. So the power cord has to be connected to the electric outlet and the button has to be put on, and then we put on this button. As soon as we put on this button, we realize that the oxygen is coming out from here and through this water, and it has to be taken out from here and put it till the patient's nose. First, the oxygen level has to be adjusted between 1 liter per minute and 4.5 liters per minute. This is the nasal cannula. One end of it has to be put in the outlet of the oxygen machine in this manner, and the other end has to be put into the nostrils of the patient in this manner. A better method would be to put it underneath the patient's head and then tighten this so that the nasal cannula will not come out with any movement of the patient's head. After some time, we have to put the pulse oximeter on the patient's finger to find out what is the actual level of the oxygen saturation. So now we can see that the oxygen saturation in this case has gone to 98%. So this oxygen pulse oximeter also has been provided to many of the residents of the society and can be used. Whenever the oxygen saturation of any individual goes to less than 80, then he is encountering hypoxia, which is low oxygen concentration in the blood. So at that time, this machine can be used to increase the oxygen up to more than 95%. This machine can be kept on for up to 8 hours, and after that we have to give it half an hour rest, as the machine has got a motor inside it which will keep working. So after 8 hours it has to be given half an hour rest and then it can be resumed. If there is any error in the machine, then it will give a beep, and instead of this green light there will be a red light. See, now this oxygen is too much, so that's why this light is blinking and there is a beep coming. So we know that this oxygen is not correct.
So, I hope everyone has understood how to use this machine. It is pretty simple, and we would like to thank our managing committee for procuring 4 of these machines to help us in case of medical emergencies, and we can be well prepared to deal with all kinds of situations.